Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, premium sound system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.